Thank you for 1140 subscribers, and this is my 200th video special, guys. Before we start the video, like the video, subscribe, and also, hit the notification bell. Hey guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to use TTSMP3.com. So type what you want in this box. And press read.
This is a tutorial of this video.
And you can download it. This is a tutorial of this video. And you can also emphasize words. This is a tutorial of this video. This is a video tutorial. And you can also make conversations.
Hello Emma.
Hey Brian.
How are you doing?
I am fine. May I invite you to a cup of tea?
And you can also make it whisper.
If you make any noise,
She said.
they will hear us.
Bonjour.
Hallo, ich bin TTSMP3.com.
That's it, guys. Bye.